Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to quickly show you how I wash my vertical blinds. If you're new here, my name is Alice and I post lifestyle, fashion, DIY and home decor type of content. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. So let's get started. So these are the vertical blinds that I'm going to wash today. As you can see, they look really dirty, especially the top end of the blinds. So these blinds are creamish white, so they're not purely white. So I filled the bathtub with warm water and then I added a little bit of bleach and washing powder. And then I placed the blinds into the water and allow them to soak for at least 30 minutes before I started scrubbing them. And since I'm using bleach, I made sure I wore gloves, thick gloves, and also make sure the room is well ventilated because you don't want to be breathing in bleach fumes. And then I'll use this soft brush and I went ahead and scrubbed the blinds one by one, as you can see how I'm doing it here. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you like this video so far, you can give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed, you can also do so, and you can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. As you can see, I kept on washing the blinds one strand at a time until they were clean, and then I went ahead and refilled the bath, and I also added a bit of bleach and the washing powder and repeat the process again. At this point, the blinds are looking much better than the way they were. They're a little bit brighter and clean. So I went ahead and rinsed the blinds. This is how I normally rinse them, by using the shower head and rinsing one strand at a time until they're all done, and put them on a hanger for them to dry overnight. And this is how I hung my blinds, by putting them on a hanger and let them dry overnight before I put them back on the windows. As you can see here, the blinds look much better than the way they were before. I think this method is really handy when you want to clean your blinds, and it's simple and easy to do. So here they are, the clean and dry vertical blinds. And do let me know down below if you're planning to try to clean your blinds using this method, and let me know how you get on. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You can also hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye for now.